When you do business in currencies other than your home country currency, it is important to define exchange rates for automatic conversion of amounts and for reporting. From the Edit top menu, choose Edit Currencies to access the list of available currencies for editing or creating. When you edit the base currency as specified from company settings, you can change labeling and report formatting, but access to exchange rate values is prohibited. More interestingly, when multi-currency functionality is enabled in company settings, editing other currency records allows setting an exchange rate for applying to transactions, with a direct method multiplying the rate to determine the base amount, and the indirect method dividing the rate. The Monthly Rates tab shows exchange rates used in the past by month, used in revaluation of ledger accounts. Assigning currency codes to customers and vendors is very straightforward. As long as the outstanding balance is 0, you can open the Billing tab and access the currency field, choosing the required currency code. Transactions for this customer or vendor will recognize that a different currency is in place. You do not have to set the base currency, as this is assumed if there is no code selected. When creating a new ledger account, you can assign a different currency if you wish to track and report on amounts in different currencies separately. In the account header, a currency code is available to include only during the creation phase. Once the account is saved, this field is no longer editable. And you can choose to revalue the account and recalculate the base currency equivalent of account balances when the exchange rate changes. When creating transactions in either accounts receivable or accounts payable, amounts are automatically in the currency of the selected customer or vendor. If the revenue or expense account or the special control account has the related currency code assigned to it, posting the transaction will update these accounts. Item valuation is always in the base currency only, but you can assign item pricing based on currency either on the item or through the price matrix. On Items and the Prices in Units tab, you can set any level to belong to a specific currency and set a sell price. This price will be available for sales associated with this currency. On Price Matrix records, you can assign a currency code for customer selection, so that any customers with this currency and matching other criteria will receive this item price. On sales orders, the item unit price is calculated from the exchange rate and the base currency unit price. If another price was defined on item for that currency, it will be listed in the Price drop-down field next to the assigned price level. If a price matrix value is available, it will only be applied if it is lower than the calculated currency unit price, or set to always be used. On purchase orders, the item unit cost is calculated from the exchange rate and the base currency unit cost, with no other choices to choose from. Any edits are considered in the vendor currency, except for duty and freight on the item lines, which are in base currency.